Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to export conversation in ChatGPT. Now, for you to do that, the first thing you like to do is to launch any browser of your choice and enter chatgpt.com in your browser search bar. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the official website for ChatGPT. Once you get into the official website, just head over to the top right corner, click on login, and follow through the on-screen prompt to log in using your account's credentials. Now, once you're logged in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on ChatGPT. Now, for you to export conversations in ChatGPT, it's pretty much simple. It means you have to export the entire conversation. Now, as of now, you cannot export a particular kind of, that is one conversation. You cannot export a conversation at a time. So for you to export a conversation, it means you're exporting every data in your account, including the conversation. So there is no method that allows you to export just the conversation. You're going to export both your account credentials and everything in that export sheet. All right, but then for specific data or specific documents, just head over to the left navigation panel and open the document. And once you open up the chat, you can click on share. And once you click on share, now follow through the prompts, create the link for the share. That's for this message. And once you create the link, you can now copy it anywhere and share it anywhere. Just keep it anywhere. But then if you want to export your data, including the conversations, just head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have your profile initials. Now click on that and you'll be provided with a drop-down menu including My GPTs, Customize ChatGPT settings, upgrade plan, and logout. Now go ahead and click on settings. Once you click on settings, it takes you to this window. If you check the left navigation panel, you have a couple of tabs, including general, personalization, speech, data controls, builder profile, connected apps, and you have security. Now go ahead and click on personalization, and that takes you here. Now click on builder profile, that takes you here. Click on security, that takes you here. Click on connected apps, it takes you here. Click on personalization, click on data controls, and it takes you here. So as you can see, now once you click on any of the tabs, it has a couple of options within them. But once you click on data controls, you're going to see the specific options for you to export data. Now, first off, you have improve the model for everyone, shared links, export data, and delete account. Now go ahead and click on export. Once you click on export, you have this confirmation pop-up that says your account details and chats will be included in the export. The data will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file. The download link will expire 24 hours after you receive it. Processing may take some time and you'll be notified when it is ready. So to proceed, you can just click on confirm export below and your details, your data, including the conversations, will be exported. Now that's pretty much it. So you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.